Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 66. ALDA. ALDA. The Korean word ALDA is a verb which means to know or to understand. Again, it's ALDA. How do you write this in Hangul? For the first syllable, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyong, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable, da, we need to draw first a dikit character, followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine these two syllables. Now let's take a look at this example. It says, arayo. Arayo means I know in English, or it's the present tense of knowing. And arayo is from ALDA, which is our word for today. So to transform ALDA to arayo, the first step is to remove da, and now we're left with al or ar. And since this remaining syllable has a vowel sound that is a or o, we will add ayo. So that al plus ayo is arayo. Again, we just added ayo to the remaining part of ALDA. So why did we choose ayo? Here's the rule of thumb. If the last vowel sound of the verb stem is a or o, we will choose ayo. If the last vowel sound is not a or o, we will add oyo. So remember the one for ayo, and let's go back to this. As you can see, since al or ar has a vowel sound that is a or o, we added ayo because that's what the rule says. So, ar plus ayo is arayo, and that is the present tense form of ALDA. ALDA means to know, and arayo means I know. And with that, you've just learned ALDA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 56 to 65. But don't forget our word for today, word number 66, it's ALDA. This is a verb which means to know or to understand. The first word for our review is word number 65, 괜찮습니다. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. The next word for our review is word number 64, 괜찮아, and this is an informal way of saying it's okay. Next word for our review is 웃다, which means to smile or laugh. Next word is 마시다, which means to drink. Next word is 먹다, which means to eat. Next word for our review is 갑시다, which means let's go, and is used in a formal setting. Next word is 가자. It also means let's go, but this is used on informal setting. Next word is 울다. This is a verb which means to cry. Next word is 하다. This is another verb which means to do. And the last word for our review is word number 56, 가다, which means to go. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.
알아요. 알아요. What does it mean? This is one among the most common words that you will hear from K-dramas. Today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word arayo. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 152. Arayo. Arayo. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is ar, the second syllable is a, the third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. Arayo. The word arayo is used to say, I know or I already know. This has a similar meaning with the word araso. Now, how do we write arayo in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable R in Hangul, we need to draw first a no-sound iyang or placeholder iyang at the first position of the syllable, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable a, we need to draw first another iyang character, which serves as a placeholder, followed by an a character. Lastly, for the third syllable, we need to draw first an iyang character, followed by a yo character. Then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word arayo. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word arayo, let's try to look into this example phrase. It says, I already know. The Korean translation of this phrase is also simply just arayo itself. Again, I already know is arayo in Korean. Just more information about arayo. It came from the root verb ALDA. The verb ALDA means to know. And this is transformed into arayo by removing da and adding ayo to make it in present tense form. So, ALDA becomes arayo. And arayo is just the present tense form of the verb to know. Again, the method is, we will remove da from the root verb ALDA, and then we will add ayo. Ar plus ayo is arayo. And that is how arayo is formed. Going back to this, we should remember that although this is not a sentence, this is actually one of the most common phrases used in Korea. And we already know that it means, I already know. And with that, you've just learned arayo. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 142 to 151. But don't forget, our word for today, arayo, which means I know. Word number 151 is amado, which means maybe. Word number 150 is jalgayo, and this is a phrase which means goodbye or go well. Word number 149 is hanban, which means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajoma, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman of the same age as our mother. Word number 146 is ajasi, and this is the Korean noun for an old man which is of the same age as our father. Word number 145 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samchon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Word number 143 is jame, and this is the Korean noun for sister. And the last for our review is word number 142, Yongjae. And this is the Korean noun for brothers. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.